We are now going to question number 17 in the series. How will you convert nitrobenzene to fluorobenzene? This nitrobenzene is first reduced by means of tin and HCl to give rise to aniline. This aniline is diacetized to give rise to phenyl diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium chloride. The moment we get the benzene diazonium chloride, it can be subjected to a variety of reactions. This on boiling with water, benzene diazonium chloride or phenyl diazonium chloride on boiling with water will give rise to phenol, because benzene diazonium chloride is very stable. Actually, that is the main difference between an aliphatic diazonium salt and an aromatic diazonium salt. An aromatic diazonium salt is very stable, and an aliphatic diazonium salt is not stable, and therefore it immediately becomes an alcohol. As for example, we get from ethylamine we get ethyl diazonium chloride. This will not be stable, immediately it will become ethyl alcohol. Whereas in this case, the phenyl diazonium chloride is obtained, can be subjected to a variety of reactions. As for example, Sandmeyer reaction can be converted to chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, cyanobenzene, and so on. And similarly, this can be converted to fluorobenzene by means of, so benzene diazonium chloride, phenyl diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium chloride. We have been repeatedly writing the structure of this compound. This compound on treatment with HbF4, this is a very important reaction, HbF4, this will give rise to this fluorobenzene. This reaction is known as Schumann reaction. This is not known as Sandmeyer reaction because fluoro compound is being introduced by means of a special reagent which is HbF4. When it is treated with HbF4, the diazonium chloride gets replaced by means of fluorobenzene, by means of fluorine, or we get fluorobenzene, and this is the method by means of which nitrobenzene is converted. Nitrobenzene is first reduced to aniline. Aniline is converted to diazonium salt. Diazonium salt in turn is converted by means of the Schumann reaction to give rise to this. That is the answer for the question number 17. Coming to question number 20, which is the last question in the series, this is a very easy question. How is benzene converted to chlorobenzaldehyde? This is not actually connected with nitrogen compounds, but it has been given, since this question has been given, we will discuss the answer for this question. Now we will find that benzene can be alkylated. That is one of the famous reactions which is known as a Friedel-Crafts reaction, in which aluminum chloride is used. The Lewis acid aluminum chloride is used as a catalyst. Therefore, benzene is converted to toluene. This we know how benzene is converted to toluene by means of Friedel-Crafts reaction by treatment with methyl chloride. Supposing you treat it with methyl chloride, you will get ethyl benzene. Now it is treated with methyl chloride to give rise to methyl benzene. Now the purpose is we want to get the chloro substituted. Therefore, do a chlorination, and the chlorine has to enter the nucleus and not in the side chain. Therefore, chlorine in the presence of iron filings. Iron is said to be the halogen carrier. Iron will become iron chloride, FeCl4, and the Cl will enter as Cl plus. So we will get you will get chlorotoluene. You will get not only orthochlorotoluene, you will also get a small quantity of parachlorotoluene. We will get orthopara mixture. This orthopara mixture is actually separated. We will get a parachlorotoluene also, but the parachlorotoluene is separated, and we make use of orthochlorotoluene and oxidize this under mild conditions. Strong oxidation, as I have discussed earlier, will lead to the formation of benzoic acid. But actually, when it is mildly oxidized using some mild oxidizing agent, particularly K2Cr2O7 is an ideal oxidizing agent for converting the this group, the methyl group, to the aldehyde. It will give rise to this molecule, namely 2-chlorobenzaldehyde. So, benzene, toluene by alkylation, then chlorination of the alkylated product, separate the orthopara, take the ortho compound, oxidize it mildly, you will get orthochlorobenzaldehyde or 2-chlorobenzaldehyde.